Hey, how is it going? Today I'll show you how to make a hand sanitizer. But basically in my case I will use it like a fuel gel. What make the alcohol burn for quite a long time. So for that we need 300 milliliters of water and then 20 grams of carbapol. So we put it up and mix it. Basically I'll suggest you to do it with a blender, otherwise manually you will do it I think more than 5 minutes for mix it up. Then we'll add 20 grams of the glycerin until it will be fully absorbed. And again, I'll suggest you to use the blender to make it easier. So basically when you put the carbapol into the water, it became the mass like that. For right now I do it manually just to show you the process and how it's supposed to be look like. So basically with the glycerin, it's the same thing. If you do it manually, you need to do it like at least 5 minutes, yeah? So it's something look like that. And then we add trithanolamine, about 5 grams of it, and mix until it will be totally absorbed. And again, I suggest to do it everything in a blender, especially if you do it like a few liters of it. So now the color a little bit changed, so it made from the white color make it more transparent, exactly what we want to get. So you need to spend a bit time on it, something like that. Really easy. And yeah, if you do it at home, you can save a lot of money on the production. And to all of this mass, we will add 1 liter of ethyl alcohol. So basically, from my experience, ethyl alcohol is better than methyl alcohol. Well, actually I give up for make it manually. For that you need to spend at least 5 or 10 minutes, so I use the blender. Super easy and quick way to do so. So basically it becomes the gel. I add 1200 milliliters of the ethyl alcohol, 99%. So basically it's not that solid how it can be, but I want to make it more flammable. Because usually if you travel and make the fire show in another place, have a really nice fire up here, so you cannot transfer any flammable materials. So basically much easier to take the powders and you can make it right up there. That's it. Oh, you can add some aloe vera, some more aromatizer and maybe some colors, and you can make a really nice hand sanitizer, depending how you want to use it. Yeah, if you want to use it for the fire show, let's say the glycerin based is the best, because if you use other one, it might break the protection gel, so you need to be careful and always make the test on it. Okay, hope you was really interesting, and later on we'll try to create something cool, something new.